do you do for a living?
Actually, I'm a salesperson. I just go into the business.
And what are you currently selling?
So I'm into charity right now. I'm currently working with an NGO.
Okay. This went south really fast, didn't it? Is it easy selling causes, charitable or social causes?
As long as you feel for it, at least I can sleep peacefully at night. But apart from that, yeah.
I'm not asking about your sleep. I'm not invested in you. Sankeet, the last thing I'm wondering right now is whether you're sleeping well. Yeah, straight. Why did you make this about you? Trust me, nobody on the show was watching you going, hey, I wonder if he's sleeping well at night. No one. Everyone had the same sense of curiosity. They were just like, okay, I wonder what it's like to sell something, that taps into somebody's empathy. And it's like, yeah, I wonder if they think I'm sleeping well or not. I should let them know. I'm getting a good 8 hours. So presumptuous. So why do you think it's difficult to sell something like charity or a social cause?
First come first, like people don't really have any benefit out of it apart from an emotional benefit.
Mm-hmm.
And secondly, obviously, it's the trust factor. The fact that some random person is just calling you up and he's like, dude, give me some money. So
yeah. Okay, so you're probably one of those kids who have come to my house also.
Yeah, probably.
And then I've pretended that I can't see. Like, kaun hai? Kaun? Kuch dikh nahi raha. Kaun? Once there were these two college kids standing outside my door. I opened the door and I was like, okay, what do you want? And they're like, can we talk to you for 5 minutes? And I'm like, oh fuck, dude, shit. I don't know if this happens to you, but and it's always 5 minutes for some reason. I don't know. Is this all NGOs only need 5 minutes? Has this happened to you guys? They come and they say all we need is 5 minutes. Well, Sankeet, you're saying they say only 2 minutes now.
Yeah, nowadays we say 2 minutes.
Acha, your sales numbers are very low. That's why. They're like, don't spend more than 2 minutes in somebody's house. We do not have that much time. Okay, you guys are shit at selling. I don't know why we hired you. Like, I'm feeling sorry for you right now. You are so bad at your job. I want to donate some money to you. Please just put this in your pocket. Oh, jeez. So you have a unique situation, Sankeet. So how do you think you can fix this? How do you think you can get your sales targets up?
So to be frank, Danny, like a concept like charity can't really be sold to people. Like people, if they want to buy it, they can only buy it, right? If they really feel for the cause, that's the only time they can buy it.
No, I think you can sell anything, even charity, dude. Our Prime Minister selling the country piece by piece. What is charity, dude? What are you talking? So how long do you think you're going to do this job?
I don't know. I just want to get good at it, and eventually, I feel like I enjoy this, to be frank. I enjoy the art of talking to people. Like, it doesn't even feel like selling away. I'm just talking to people, and I enjoy talking to people in general.
Okay. So that's why but you enjoy making money also, no? Sometimes you meet these people. I just like talking to people. I'm like, bro, I like making money. So
funnily, I do make pretty decent money, so that's why.
Okay. Decent enough to afford a complete hat, like, or you just have to like tie stuff around your head.
Just a bandana, that's just to keep this quarantine hair going.
Quarantine hair?
Yeah, it's behaving itself, that's it.
Achha,
my mother is skeptical of sending me to the salon.
Is she sitting next to you?
No, she's not. It's just a habit.
Just a habit, I know, yeah, because otherwise also yeah, I know what you mean, yeah. I know what you mean, like, otherwise also you're so used to the same thing, right? You're sitting in front of the laptop. Yeah. You're making sure other parts of your body are behaving. Yeah. You're trying to give yourself a sale, basically, is what I'm saying. And then you have to make sure, you should keep an eye on the door just in case it opens. You can pull your pants up really fast. Do you have something like that where you also feel like, hey, this is really good about my life. I don't know. I think I'm going to enjoy this some more. You can have that?
Yes.
Can I say
Yep.
something?
Abhishek, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Why are you saying it like you want to go to the toilet? Let me teacher. चल जोर से सुसु करने का टीचर जोर से करने का सुसु जोर से आ रहा है बहुत जोर से आ रहा है it doesn't sound like that he was just saying that what's up Abhishek what do you want to say
Nothing. I'm just like there with my therapist right now.
Stop it.
you're what
I'm there with my therapist on this show.
you're with your therapist on the show
What? Yeah.
okay so your therapist is a person I assume
Yes.
who's not at work right now
Yes.
so can you allow your therapist to be a person who's not at work right now and just enjoy a comedy show
Oh.
Well played.
That was heckle by the way. That wasn't even like I'm.
Sorry.
It's just, it's okay. You can discuss it in therapy tomorrow. You'll be sitting with your therapist tomorrow. Oh man, last night I had a comedy show. I was such an asshole. I tell you. And your therapist will just go, I know. I was there. 4 cats are too much. It's too many of them. And they're like, I don't know if you've ever had cats, but they're like hustlers, you know, they come for hafta and all. Like, hey, like, dude, if you have a dog, and you know this, that a dog will like, you know, cutely wake you up in the morning and hey buddy, how are you? Good to see you. Time for a feed. Hey buddy, I love you so much. You know, right? I live just for you. Like every breath I take, every woof I make, I'll be watching you. You know what I mean, right? Come on, let's have breakfast together. You know, that's what the dog's vibe is. You know, it's a dog's vibe. You know, very loving and let's share and let's spend time together. But if you have a cat, you know this is true. You wake up in the morning and they'll just like, hey, क्या रे इतना लेट कोई उठता है क्या? हाँ कोई उठता है इतना लेट? खाना क्या तेरा बाप देगा मेरे को? हाँ किधर है खाना? And then you get up and you're just like, man, fuck, I'll feed you, man. Don't worry, you know. And then again, 5 minutes later, again they're heckling you. Oh, they हग रहे अभी तक हग रहे मतलब 11:30 बजे को कोई हकता है क्या कभी सुना है किसी को 11:30 बजे हकते हुए you're constantly like heckling you dude hey Jose what are you trying to steal my thunder what is this the only thing I can't compete with at a live show for attention is a cute child okay Jose this is cheating
He wants to see a video so he's here I'm his uncle
you're his uncle
Yeah, do I look like a father? I don't look like a father.
You don't look like a father. Well, you hopefully you don't look like a pedo. Okay, ठीक है.
Both hard.
No. Hey, I'm not saying you're a bad uncle. I'm just saying some people have had bad uncles. You know what I mean? Hey, that's a fair assumption. Come on, guys. Let's not be this. Let's not be this ignorant. Come on, we can't be this obtuse and say no, it's not possible. Okay, it's not possible. Next you'll say, oh, so a man took his own life because he was genuinely, he had a mental illness. It's not like because his girlfriend took money from him, or nepotism killed him and shit. I don't know.
Oh shit. Tight joke, Daddy. Tight joke.
Today morning also we all got the news of Chadwick Boseman, and I was just like, it's been like this year has been crazy, dude. Like how many good celebrities, so many celebrities have had pass on this year, and some of them we genuinely like you who got the news and you're like, oh, not this guy, like. Not one politician.
Sorry, covered.
Not one, dude. Not one. Not one person we don't like has died. Have you noticed this? One, at least not one famous person we don't like has died. How they? This is really a shit year, dude. Like for once I want to read like about some famous person dying. I'm like, yeah, he was an asshole anyway. Like, fucking, he deserved it. Like every night getting on TV yelling like a fucking dumbass. With no perspective whatsoever, no conscience for his profession. He has sold himself. Every night just screaming to distract the public about real issues, just screaming about the same thing every night. Drugs chahiye, mere ko drugs chahiye. Have you seen that video? Who? It's okay, he died, good. We never get those moments, you know. We've just like, it's all really good people that we're losing, man. Oh, jeez. What do you do, Arushi?
I work for UTI Mutual Fund. I sell mutual funds.
Wow. What kind of a laugh was that, dude? That it felt like more of a scoff than a laugh. You know what I'm saying? Like you. And I think that's a genius emotion to express when you scoff with a laugh. Like that's the highest level of scoffing. You're like, heh, please. There's that, but then there's that with a laugh. That's scoff max. That's scoff max. Like, you know, I don't know. Like, you sell insurance is what he said, Arushi?
Mutual funds.
Mutual funds. Yeah. Did you sell some bad funds to somebody over here on the call who's they just scoffed at you and they were like, shit, घंटा रिटर्न मिला मुझे, घंटा. इससे अच्छा तो पैसे PM केस में डालती.